Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still be the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talking about how to make money online, how to do your dollar arbitrage, how to start your own online company. Yeah, so today I want to show you the reason why I've been saying that this week is the best week to make profits on Binance. This week is the best week to make profits on Binance. Yeah, so you see, right now, currently, I have some amount in my account, and I will show you everything or how I got this amount at a lower rate, and I'm about to sell it at a higher rate. Yeah. So I'm still campaigning of how, like I said, today is the best, or this week is the best week to sell your USDT. That's you bought it last month, last 2 weeks going. Yeah. So I got this USDT. I bought it at the rate of 12.90. I bought it at the rate of 12.90. Yeah, 12.90. Yeah. So 12.90, if I want to make profits, unless I'm selling it above 12.90, that's where I will make profit. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's what we're about to do right now. So before I start, if you want to join my mentorship, or you want my courses, yeah, I have a link in the description. That's randalltechnology.com. You can visit that site and you get all my courses and everything. Yeah. So we're about to start this video, and purposely I'm making this video for beginners. So if you know you're an expert, you can choose to ignore the video. But if you are a beginner and you want to learn it well, this video is for you. That is why I always say that the best thing that you have to invest your money inside is education. If you have the education, making money online, it will be very like easy for you. But without education, making money online, it will be what's difficult for you. So it's better for you to spend money on education, so that when you get to the field, you know your left and you know your right. Yeah. So I have 93, and at this 93, I bought this 93 at the rate of what? At the rate of 12.90. 12 point what? 90 Ghana cedi. So it means that one USDT was 12.90. So 93 USDT times 12.90. I That means I spent 1,199. That's 1,020, thousand, that's 1,002 on what? On this 93. So before I get profit, then I have to make sure that the money the rate I'm selling it will give me a lot of money than the 1,199 or the 1,200. Yeah. So let me just initiate a trade, and let's see whether the market is very cool. And this one thing about this, if the market is not cool, don't sell it. If the market is not good, don't what? Don't sell it. Sell it when the market is what is good. Yeah. So when you open the Everest, like the Binance app, this is how it shows. So the first front page that will show you is what buy. You see that this is the buy. So you just have to what, switch it from buy to what, to sell. Yeah. So let's go to sell, because like we are here to sell. And if you're here to buy, you see, the buying rate is 13.28. I will not advise you to buy right now, because If you buy it 13.28, before you can get profits, unless it's above 13.28, let's say 13.50, 14, 13.60, certain. Yeah. So this week is very like, don't buy. Just if you have some, just sell it. Don't buy it on Binance, or you may end up crying. That one they'll tell you. Yeah. So you go to your price range, because right now I have 93. So 93, that means this person can't satisfy me. So unless this person, let me check top system. So unless this person from 1,000 to 150, this person. So let me go to sell right now. And if you open your sell right now to initiate your trade with this person, you'll see that the balance over here will be what? Zero. That one, don't say that your money is not reflecting. No. When you transfer money through TRC22, Binance, it's land in your spot wallet, not founding wallet. So you just have to what? Transfer it from spot wallet to what? To founding wallet. So I'll go to add funds and I'll go to transfer. Then I'll click on, I'll input 93.23, but the point I'll leave it like that, 93. Then I'll confirm it. So when I confirm it, I'll see that transfer successful. So when I confirm it, after that you see that when I come to the balance right now, you see that the balance have changed from zero to what? 93 USDT. So right now I'm good to go. Good to what? Like start straight. So I'll input 93. So 93 USDT. That means I'm getting what? 1,236. And in this case, I spent 1,199. So getting 37 cities is a what? It's a win-win. And people be saying 37 cities is not a huge profit. Yeah, bro. It's not a huge profit. But imagine the money is higher. Imagine you like doing this with 10,000 Ghana cedis, 100,000 Ghana cedis. You see that the money will be higher. That's why I always say that arbitrage is good for people who have money. If you have more money, you will get more profit. You see, that's why I'm getting 36 Ghana cedis as profit, but it's cool. Yeah, to me, it's cool for me. Yeah, so I'll go to and click on sell URZT. So the advertisement is not online. The advertisement is not online. Confirm. That means the person is not online. The person have done what? It's not online. So let me search for other person. 200 to 2,000. Okay. Let me jump. Let me do with this person. Into 30. So this where you have to be vigilant, or else you may end up losing your money. Like this person, at least I have to see that if he's online. I see some green lights over there. So agent or sir, please state my agent's names. Please state agent's name. It's okay. Yeah, that is about 15K. I will split it. So the person wants you to, are you agent or sub? So I'm sub. I'm not agent. You see. Then you wait. So this is where people get frauded. Let me show you something. You see, he has sent the money right now. So before you release, you will click on the you click on this thing. Let me show you. Before you release, this is how you release it. You click on this thing to release it. but don't be too early to release it. The person said that he sent the money. The money you are expecting is what? Is 1,236. So first of all, you just check your message on your phone. That's the first step. So 1,236, I've received it. Then you don't be here early. Relax for yourself. Then you dash star 170 hash if you're using MTN Momo. Then you go to your wallet to check whether actually the money is in your account. Don't be too quick to release your USDT. You see that some of the buyers, they will give you some pressure that you are sending you this person is not giving me pressure. I'll send you the this thing, so release it as fast as possible. Don't let the pressure overtake you. I've checked my wallet and it's in my wallet right now. Yeah, it's in my wallet right now. So right now, I cannot release the USDT to him because the actual money, the 1,236 is right now. It was in my account right now, so I can release the USDT to him without any waste of time. So I'll click on the what payment received. Then I'll go to I've received. Then you enter your passcode. That one's a secret passcode. Then it will come like this. You have sold it. So let me screenshot it for my tutorials. Then you click on OK. So this is how you do it and make profits. So right now I've made 36 Ghana cedis profits. So imagine I'm involving a lot of money in it. I'm making a lot of what? A lot of cash. So you can leave a positive, like, okay, fast transaction is right then. This one there, you can choose to do it or not. That one, yeah. You see, yeah. So that's how you do your P2P trade on Binance without getting fraud. You see, without being fraud. This is how you do it. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And if you want to learn more, I can guide you and make you earn more. I'm out. Thank you.